Hello, in this video I will show you how to build a computer using cardboard parts. Firstly, probably the most important piece of hardware is the motherboard. It is the central circuit board of your computer. All other components and peripherals plug into it, and the job of the motherboard is to pass on information between them all. The motherboard is placed here so that it lines up with the holes and the slots in the case. Next is the CPU. It stands for Central Processing Unit and performs the calculations and logic functions of the computer. Make sure this side is on the bottom. Gently drop it into place and do not push down on it. Now we add the CPU fan. Its job is to cool down the CPU as it can heat up a lot. It is placed right on top of the CPU. Next is the power supply. It supplies power to the various components of your computer. As you're placing it in, make sure the fan is facing down away from the top of the case. Then we insert the RAM into the motherboard. RAM stands for Random Access Memory, and temporary files are saved on it. A computer usually has 2 to 4 RAM sticks. Gently push the RAM sticks into their slots. Next is the graphics card, also known as a GPU. It is responsible for generating all the text and pictures that are displayed on your screen. It will go into the slot. Line it up with the back of the case and simply push it into place. The white slots below are called PCI slots. This stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect. Here you can insert any other extra card, like the sound or network card, in the same way that you added the graphics card. Then enter the CD or DVD Rom. This is where you can insert your CDs or DVDs. Simply push it into the bay. And lastly, enter the hard drive into the bottom slot. The hard drive stores system information and program files, documents, and whatever else the user wants to store on the computer. Remember that all parts need to be connected to the motherboard and some to the power supply, so make sure you plug in all the wires into their right spaces. And finally, make sure that all the fans are spinning and install your operating system. Thanks for watching.